car in our 1980 Corvette Restomod. I'm not even trying hard, this thing's just going. I tell you what, it is an absolute rocket ship when you get into it. Hey, Brian from Bernie's, filling in for Kaysen over at Haggerty, shooting you a little quick driving video of our 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Restomod. I am a dyed-in-the-wool Corvette guy, and I'm going to be completely honest, 1980 Corvettes, as they left the factory, not the best year General Motors ever made. But this car has taken all of those shortcomings that a 1980 Corvette has and absolutely done away with them. And now you just have the great looks, the big flared fenders out front there of the 1980 Corvette, but all of a sudden now you've got all kinds of power. You've got a nice 5-speed manual transmission, heavy-duty rear end, putting power to the ground. I got big wheels and tires, big brakes. This thing will stop on a dime, give you 9 cents change. It is an awesome car to drive. Smooth to shift, clutch feels great. It's got all kinds of power. Let me get around the corner here and I'll just ease into it a little bit. Very tractable, very easy to drive. The power steering is super light in this car. The whole car kind of feels light. It doesn't have that heavy feel that some of the later C4s had. I got T-tops off, just cruising, ice-cold air conditioning coming out. Not even listening to the radio. It's got your AM, FM, CD, Kenwood, Exelon stereo. But let's face it, you're a car guy, you want to hear the exhaust anyways. That's all it's about. That was 4th gear from like 30 miles an hour. Nice little pop on the overrun. Very comfortable car. The seats feel great. The steering's got nice padding underneath the leather there.